A very good morning, students. Today we will define a proper definition for heat. Heat can be defined as the form of energy that is transferred across a system boundary by virtue of temperature difference. The symbol to represent heat is Q, capital Q. So from this definition, what we can understand is heat is basically a form of energy. It is one of the form of energy. This energy will travel from one point to another point of a same body or between one body to another body because of the temperature difference. When there is a temperature difference between two bodies, then only the heat will travel from one body to another body or one location to another location. The necessary thing to flow heat from one point to another point is a temperature difference. Then only the heat can flow. When both the temperature becomes same, I mean if heat transferring from one body to another body, if both the bodies having the similar temperature, then heat flow won't take place. Okay, if there is a temperature difference, then only heat can flow from one body to another body. So this is the definition of heat. Basically it is a form of energy which can transfer from one body to another body due to the temperature difference. Let us have a look at the similarities and dissimilarities between heat and work. Firstly, we will talk about similarities between work and heat. Okay, both are forms of energy. Both work and heat are forms of energy. Then second one, both are path functions. What do we mean by path functions? Path functions depends on the path followed by the system. So such functions we will call it as path functions. It is not a point function because work and heat doesn't depend on the end points. It depends on the path followed by the system. So that is why both heat and work are path functions. Then third one, both are boundary phenomena. Boundary phenomena means both will occur at the boundary of the system. That is why we will call this as both are boundary phenomena. Both are forms of energy, both are path functions, and both are boundary phenomena. These are similarities between heat and work. Now let us have a look at dissimilarities between work and heat. Okay, heat, under heat, it is the form of energy transfer due to temperature difference. Heat transfers due to temperature difference. Whereas work, all the other energy interactions may be termed as work transfer. Okay, heat, when you come to heat, heat is the energy transfer due to temperature difference. Whereas work can be defined as all the other energy interactions may be termed as a work transfer. Except heat, all the other energy interaction can be called as work. And another important thing, heat is low grade energy and work is high grade energy. Okay, please remember this point. Heat is low grade energy and work is high grade energy. Why heat is low grade energy and work is high grade energy, we will study in next unit. Okay, these are the some sign conventions which are useful to solve the problem or to analyze any given thermodynamic system. Let us have a look at those. When work is done by the system, it is arbitrarily taken to be positive. Arbitrarily means randomly or according to our assumption. Just we will assume that if work is done by the system, then we will take that work as positive. And when the work is done on a system, it is taken to be negative. Okay, I repeat, if work is done by the system, then work is positive. If work is done on the system, then work is negative. The symbol capital W is used for work or work transfer. Then when heat is added to the system, it is arbitrarily taken to be positive. Okay, I repeat, if heat is added to the system, it is positive. If heat is rejected by system, it is negative. The symbol for this is Q. Okay, you can observe in the diagram here. If heat is added to the system, it is positive. If heat is rejected by the system, it is negative. Then for work, if work is done on the system, it is negative. If work is done by the system, it is positive. These are the sign conventions regarding work and heat transfer which are very useful to solve numericals.